we have transparency, we have explainability, we have governance around the development process to make sure that we have the right inputs, the right data quality. We have monitoring, so you're just not putting something out in the market and hoping it does well, but you're making sure that it's operating as intended, that it doesn't have impermissible bias, that it provides accurate and valid answers and not hallucinations. You think about ethical use cases, right? We see in regulations there are people saying, well, this shouldn't be used for certain things in certain situations, whether, law enforcement is one that comes up a lot because the risk of potential harm to the individual is so high. You think about things where, maybe there's a potential for bodily injury. You want to make sure that that doesn't happen. The challenge is, of course, coming up with a set of guardrails that protect against those things while not inhibiting innovation, because innovation is how we're going to realize the value of this technology. And so, I would come back and say right now, the National Institute of Standards and Technology has created this AI risk management framework that basically says you need to think through these types of risks. You need to ask yourself questions. You need to design a system that addresses those. And we are embracing that here at ADP, and we think that that's the right approach.